Welcome to Speak Stride English, the best place to help you learn English.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
She underscored to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Answer. Goes. I underscore breakfast at 7 a.m. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Eating. Answer. Eat. They underscore in New York. A. Live. B. Lives. C. Living. Answer. Live. He underscore coffee in the morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking. Answer. Drinks. My brother and I underscore tennis on Sundays. A. Play. B. Plays. C. Playing. Answer. Play. The sun underscore in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising. Answer. Rises. She underscore a book every month. A. Reads. B. Read. C. Reading. Answer. Reads. Birds underscore in the sky. A. Flies. B. Fly. C. Flying. Answer. Fly. He never underscore late for work. A. Is. B. Are. C. Am. Answer. Is. I underscore in a small village. A. Live. B. Lives. C. Living. Answer. Live. Water underscore at 100 degrees Celsius. A. Boils. B. Boil. C. Boiling. Answer: boils. We underscore English every day. A. Studies. B. Study. C. Studying. Answer: study. My mother always underscore breakfast. A. Cook. B. Cooks. C. Cooking. Answer: cooks. Dogs underscore meat. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Eating. Answer: eat. She underscore to music every evening. A. Listen. B. Listens. C. Listening. Answer: listens. The store underscore at 9 a.m. A. Opens. B. Open. C. Opening. Answer: opens. I always underscore my homework after school. A. Do. B. Does. C. Doing. Answer: do. She underscore a good friend. A. Is. B. Are. C. am. Answer: is. He underscore football on weekends. A. Plays. B. Play. C. Playing. Answer: plays. They underscore a lot of books. A. Reads. B. Read. C. Reading. Answer: read. I underscore happy with my job. A. Am. B. Is. C. Are. Answer: am. The train underscore at 8 a.m. A. Leaves. B. Leave. C. Leaving. Answer. Leaves. You underscore very well. A. Sings. B. Sing. C. Singing. Answer. Sing. He underscore English every day. A. Practice. B. Practices. C. Practicing. Answer. Practices. My sister underscore her hair every morning. A. Brush. B. Brushes. C. Brushing. Answer. Brushes. We underscore a lot on weekends. A. Travel. B. Travels. C. Traveling. Answer. Travel. The dog underscore at strangers. A. Barks. B. Bark. C. Barking. Answer. Barks. She always underscore her homework on time. A. Finishes. B. Finish. C. Finishing. Answer. Finishes. They underscore a lot of questions. A. Asks. B. Ask. C. Asking. Answer. Ask. My parents underscore at a hospital. A. Works. B. Work. C. Working. Answer. Work.